The VR navigation system enables an intuitive understanding of the surrounding situation of your vessel. It reduces the workload of the watch operations and contributes to safer navigation. Various types of chart information from E&C are displayed on the VR screen, like nearby vessels of owned ship and buoys, waypoints, planned routes, etc. You can grasp and recognize the situation around your ship visually and instantly. Radar targets are acquired and tracked fully automatically and combined with AIS targets. VR navigation system can visualize the possible colliding points by highlighting the collision areas. The area is shown in 3 risk levels. The viewpoint can be freely changed to show the different angles set from another ship. Collision risk has changed from high to medium as a result of other ship changed the heading to avoid collision. As the other ships continued to change the heading, the risk changed to low. And now it is safe to navigate. The viewpoint can be freely changed from left to right, up and down, and zoomed in and out. VR navigation system can support crew to grasp situation awareness with augmented reality. You can also view it from directly above, like radar or ECDIS. Detailed information, such as charts and AIS, can be displayed by selecting a target. It is also possible to check the distance and direction to any point and other vessels in real time. Many useful features for navigation are equipped, like showing the distance between 2 points, range circle, user chart display, etc. VR navigation system allows you to visually and instantly grasp the situation awareness around your vessel and assists in changing routes to avoid collisions with other vessels.